Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing the 5A, which is explore the different kinds of living organism found in your surrounding the environment. Based on your observations, write the common name and the scientific name of the organism belonging to different kingdom of classification from your surroundings in general at appropriate places in the following table. Redraw the following table in your response sheet. Attempt to write any four parts. First is Monera, Protista, Fungi, and Plantian Animalia. So these are the some questions, and if you need answer of this, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need handwritten answers, so you can contact us also. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.